Samsung's AI-enhanced OLED monitor delivers unmatched performance. Samsung, a South Korean tech giant, featured additional specifications to the new OLED G8 gaming monitor, along with safeguards against OLED burn-in and AI-powered resolution enhanced for content in various games. The 32-inch Odyssey OLED G8 model G80 SD costs $1,299.99, approximately 1,08,646 Indian rupees, valuing it a slightly cheaper than the older $1,499 OLED gaming monitor Samsung launched earlier. The company confirmed that the G80 SD model is its initial AI-powered gaming monitor, which supports the same NQB AI Gen3 processor as its currently unveiled 2024 Neo QLED 8K TV. That chip is behind the monitor's AI upscaling powers, which allow content and games to be upscaled to almost 4K when run through the monitor's built-in smart TV apps and gaming hub. In addition, Samsung upgraded the G80 SD's cooling system to soothe OLED burn-in, involving a proprietary pulsating heat pipe to the monitor, which is 5 times more helpful at diffusing heat than the graphite sheet method earlier utilized. Moreover, the monitor detects and automatically lessens the brightness of static images like taskbars or heads-up displays in games. The G8's leftover feature involves its flat display, which sports a 3840 by 2160 resolution with a refresh rate of 240 Hz and a 16:9 aspect ratio. Samsung claimed that the monitor can deliver 250 nits of peak brightness and supports FreeSync Premium Pro to assist with less down-the-screen lag and screen tearing. Resolution upscaling is offered on TVs and streaming devices to enhance the user's experience. However, people are still concerned to see how well it performs built into gaming-focused monitor.